In today's video, we are excited to share some dope tech we tried out recently, a super compact, pocket-friendly power bank. We will unbox it, explore features, and give you a hands-on feel of how compact this mini power bank really is. So stay tuned till the end, and let's dive straight in. It comes in super minimalist packaging, as you can see. Let's tear through and see what's inside. Inside the box we have some paperwork, the power bank itself, and also a charging cable. As you can see, a USB to USB Type-C charging cable has been provided. I didn't really need it, as I'm sure all of us by now have plenty of these lying around our homes. Now onto the power bank itself. Right out of the box, the first impression is of solid build quality, at least on the outside. The textured exterior feels good in the hands, and even if you have smaller hands than MKBHD, I can confirm these definitely live up to the compact expectations. I will dive deeper into some size comparisons later in the video to give you some perspective. Nicely tucked into the top left corner is the power button. It came with a 75% charge, which is handy, especially if you are making a last-minute travel purchase. It has a simple circular display on the front that indicates the remaining charge as well as whether it's fast charging or not. As for the ports, it comes with a modest selection of Type-C, Type-A, and micro USB input on the sides. The 22.5 watts power bank can charge your phone from 0% to 60% in just half an hour. The 18-watt fast recharge can be done in just 3 hours. The power bank weighs 169 grams, has a capacity of 10,000 milliamp hour. Considering the size and output, that seems to strike a nice balance. Now let's put all the compact size through some perspective testing. On a standard diary, then alongside the small iPhone 12, an Apple AirPods case, on a MacBook Pro 13 inches, along with a standard board marker sketch pen, throwing in a charging brick and a larger smartphone. You get the idea. Now, finally, to test out the pocket-friendly claim, let's literally check how it fits into a jeans pocket. In my opinion, I think it lives up to the pocket-friendly claim, although I wish it was a bit smaller while packing in the very same features. Overall, I think it's a great buy, especially for the price. Let me know what you think of the model, and if you have any other suggestions. I will leave a link to this in the description. Most importantly, thank you again for giving me your valuable time and attention. Hope you enjoyed this video.